Hi, so today I'm going to talk about one of the recently launched products of Herbalife and also my real favorite these days, Herbalife24 Rebuild Strength. So as the name suggests, it helps in rebuilding the muscle. It's a typical post-workout shake. One serving is giving about 24 grams of protein, and it is a unique tri-core blend of protein, amino acids and BCAAs. It also has carbohydrates, about 18 grams in one serving, so that helps in delivery of amino acids to the muscles. I'll talk about all the ingredients one by one. So first, coming to the protein. So protein, it has whey and casein. Milk protein is 20% whey and 80% casein. So first, talking about whey protein. What is whey protein is that you've seen the layer on curd, the upper layer, that is whey protein. So, and when we make paneer, the upper layer, that is whey protein. It undergoes a filtration process, and that's how whey is formed. Whey protein is like rapidly digested, so it is quickly absorbed in synthesis. Second is that it helps in blood flow to the muscles. So again, it helps in the delivery of nutrients. Another thing is that whey has BCAAs. Now what is BCAAs? BCAAs is branch chain amino acids. They are essential amino acids. That means the body cannot produce, you need to intake it. And we have three branch chain amino acids, leucine, isoleucine and valine. Now what do these branch chain amino acids do? They help in again protein synthesis. They help in reducing fatigue. You get that low while during your workout. It helps reduce that. It helps prevent muscle soreness, and this personally I felt, I was working out before as well, same intensity of workout, same duration, but now after the intake of Rebuild Strength, I feel that I am that pain, that typical pain which happens in the evening, it is much lesser. Okay, so talking about the next protein, that is casein, which is added to this blend. Casein, what does it do is that it is the slow guy, where whey is like quickly digested, casein is like slowly digested. It gives you sustained release of amino acids and it helps you in the recovery. It is anti-catabolic. That means it prevents your muscles to be eaten up in the long term. So like where whey protein is like digested in 20 minutes, this takes like 3 to 4 hours to digest. So it gives you sustained protein source. Then comes another very important amino acid which is there in this shake, is L-glutamine. Now L-glutamine is non-essential amino acid. That means our body can produce it, but then why do we need to supplement it? Now what happens is, when we work out, the rate of synthesis of L-glutamine becomes lesser than at the rate at which it is consumed during the workout. So that is when we need to supplement it. Now what are the functions of L-glutamine? L-glutamine helps in protein synthesis, and if we do not provide it through supplement, then the muscle might have to be broken down to provide glutamine to other cells. Another thing is that it is great for immunity and it is great for the digestive system. So besides these ingredients, there are a lot of micronutrients here. So vitamin B1, B2, B5, B6, B12, biotin, vitamin C, E, all help in the recovery post-workout. And another unique feature about this shake is that it is certified by Informed Sport. Now what does this say? That means that it provides assurance that products have been tested for a wide range of substances prohibited in sport. So every batch of this product is tested for banned substances under Informed Sport program. So an athlete can take it very safely and very proudly. So, and it comes in a great handy sachet, which I just put it in my gym bag. I just open it up and have it. So and it tastes awesome. It comes in chocolate flavor, and my workouts are getting just better with this support. So this is it from my side about the Herbalife 24 Rebuild Strength. Thank you so much.